When you're working with first-class documents, it's often desirable to include images, particularly when you're working with documents that are for the web. It's both a design feature, but also as a way of conveying important information quickly. If you've worked with web documents before, you might have gotten used to having to upload files and make sure that they stay in the same place in relation to your document. All this technical gobbledygook that's really kind of painful. But the nice thing with a first-class document is if I just find the image that I want, and I'm going to copy that image, I can then go into my document and paste that image into the document. There it is. I didn't have to worry about files or uploading anything. And in fact, once I put this image in my document, I have a number of options about how it's laid out in here. So if I right-click on the image, I can choose Format Image from the lengthy menu that comes up. And this gives me all sorts of options about whether or not I want to adjust the size of the image, or I can be very specific about it. But particularly interesting in here is something called the alignment, which talks about how the image relates to text. And I'm going to say that I want to align this right, which means the picture is going to go to the right side of the page, and all the text is going to flow around it. You've seen this. It looks kind of classy. In fact, I think my text is too close to it right now. So I'm going to increase the padding on this to something more generous. So now you can see there's all sorts of white space around my image. It's very, very lovely. If I save and close this, I now have updated my web page here. And it's all beautiful with an image and everything.